Hi everyone, welcome to Goms Tech Talk channel, and I am Dr. Gomati. So I'm going to introduce Sunday challenges, which is based on Power Platform. Initially, I'll be posting the challenges only based on Business Central, and gradually we can move it to Power BI or Power Apps or whatever it may be. So on the last Sunday, I have posted this, and I'm sorry I forget to inform you all through the video. So this is the Sunday challenges which I have posted. I'm just starting from the beginning, okay, like a case study on the Business Central, and I'll start the initial level of table exercises, page exercises, code unit, and every object there will be some set of exercises. So this is for case study. Okay, so I have introduced about what is the Sunday Power Platform challenge, and every Sunday I'm planning to post a challenge. You can participate. You can just look into my blog. So I'll be posting it in my blog, which is a learnwithgoms.com. So this is my blog site. So once if you enter the Business Central, you can see the Sunday Power Platform challenge. So this is for a case study, that is a case study on how Business Central is effectively used, or what is the application of Business Central in almost many domains. So here I have given few domains, which is like inventory control, management of sales, supply chain management, customer relationship, and quality control. Now I have also explained with few examples, and the template also I have given here. Like the thing is, like, you have to choose any one domain from here. For example, if I am taking supply chain or a customer relationship management, then you can just deep dive into customer relationship management on any specific company. If you're working in your company, like if you're using any Business Central in your company, and this challenge will be useful for those who are started working with Business Central. So if you wanted to learn Business Central, why it is used, how it is used, and where and all it is used, then you can just try this case study. So what you have to do is open your G drive, that is Google, and here you can find, if you click on this 9 dots, you can find the Google Docs. Okay, so click on the Google Docs, and then you can choose any one. For example, if you have used a supply chain management, okay, so then you can click the blank document and then go and name this supply chain management. You can name this document supply chain management, and put a hyphen and tell Business Central case study. Okay, and here you can just use this template. So this is what the template you can use. You can explore about what is Business Central and how Business Central is used for supply chain management. So you can just put a title for your supply chain management case study, and in the introduction you can add, I have just told like a brief overview of the company and their business operation. If you don't want to tell about your company where you're working, you can just make a different name for the company, like ABC or XYZ or whatever it may be, and explanation of the Business Central challenges they faced in a specific domain or topic when they haven't implemented the Business Central, and what are the challenges they are facing, and what is the solution, and what is the result, and what happens when they implemented the Business Central. And if you wanted to include any specific consideration, you can add it, and also the references where you searched something. So you can just copy this template and paste it here. Okay, so you can paste it here, and you have to start writing about it. So you can just make all the headings to heading 1, and this will be like heading 1. So what are the challenges, introduction to your company, and everything. So if you are a trainer, you can make use of this case study as a part of your exercise, and if you are a beginner, you can explore more about the Business Central on any specific topic, and you can try to complete this. And if you really wanted to share your knowledge with everyone, so you can do that. Okay, just click this share. Okay, click the share and go to this restricted and click anyone with the link, copy the link, and come to the comment section here and paste your link here so that everyone can see this. And finally, you can tell that case study and what is the what is the name of your what is the domain you have taken. For example, supply chain, in the sense supply chain, just name this and share this, click publish, it will be published to everyone. So that is what I just wanted to tell you. So this is an exercise. So like this, I'll be sharing more challenges in upcoming week. Like every Sunday you can see the challenge in my blog. So this is like gradually I will be improving. Like next week you can see the exercises on table and page level, and gradually. Okay, so I hope everyone will join me with the challenges, and you can share this challenge with anyone who wants to try this out. If you have any other specific doubts, or if you want me to consider some points in order to add it with this, please let me know. I'll be happy to have your feedback. And also one more thing, like my blog is under construction, so you can change some appearance changes or something always in my blog until it is completed. So please bear with me. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.